Hi, and welcome to another fit-for-purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about pocket door hardware. Pocket doors are seeing a huge level of interest. That's because they are brilliant for making the most of space in home, offices, light commercial spaces as well. We're especially seeing pocket doors used in kitchens and sculleries to create pantries and appliance stations. We're also seeing them used a lot in laundry spaces, either to create cupboard-style space for your washer and dryer within the kitchen, garage, or hallway, or to create really accessible linen storage. They're also great for creating a work from home or study nook that is quickly and easily closed off. So, what exactly is a pocket door? Well, a pocket door pivots back inside a double sidewall or pocket in your cabinet, hence the name. And why is that so great? Well, it means light isn't blocked when the door's open, so it's great for work from home or study spaces where you want a good natural light on the work surface. And it's great for appliance zones in the kitchen, as you need light so you can see what you're doing. A pocket door also means the door doesn't stick out and block people from walking past. So if you have a laundry area within your kitchen or in the hall, it means you can use the area and others can still get past. What it means is the work area can quickly be closed off, for example, if guests arrive, and it also means you get full access right across the face of the cupboard area. No more blindly feeling about for things that are tucked in behind the front walls, for example. Why should you ask for a Salice pocket door? Well, Exedra1 pocket doors have been designed and made in Italy by Salice, who have been around since 1957, by the way. The opening and closing movements are really nice and smooth, with very little force needed to open and close the door. The soft close deceleration is also very smooth. And that soft close movement is active right throughout the door movement. Into the pocket, out of the pocket, and onto the cabinet. With the Exedra1 pocket doors, all the weight bearing is done off the side of the unit, and that means really no ugly profiles across the top of your cabinet. Plus, the mechanism is designed to protect door panels right through the travel. And this prevents damage to your beautiful cabinetry. And now a point or two for the kitchen and cabinet makers out there. Salice Exedra1 pocket doors are faster and easier to install than many others. And we've got the trade testimonials to prove it. Exedra1 is easy to adjust without uninstalling because all the adjustments are made from the front. It's an extremely uncomplicated unit with no complex scissor mechanisms at all. And the mechanism can be removed from the cabinet without needing to remove the end panels or adjacent cabinet.